Hi, this is Izzy Dixon again from Well Organized Marketing, and today I would like to talk to you about how you can create more content with the help of social media. First up, there are different ways of doing that. So I've come up with 5 different ways of doing that, which are all in a blog post, which of course I will link to as always. And I'm going to share 2 of them with you in this video. So number 1 is simply go on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you are most active, wherever you get the best engagement, and where your target audience lives really, and ask them a very open question, such as, what would you like to read on my blog? Or have you got a question about your topic? I will answer it with a blog post, something like that. When you then write the blog post, you can tag the person in a social media update, so they know that the blog post is out there, that their question has been answered, getting more engagement from that one particular person, of course. So that's one way, a very open question on any social media platform that you want to use. Number 2, you might have some ideas already that you want to talk about, but you're not sure whether your audience is really interested in that kind of topic. So you could create like a mini survey, works on Facebook, works on LinkedIn again. Twitter, you can give people a few options as well, and simply ask them, which of these topics would you prefer to read about, and see what comes back, and that will give you an indication. So those are 2 of the ways, as I said, that you can use. I've used them both in the past. They work really well, and it's a lot of fun to interact with people that way on social media, where you get really good feedback about what they want to hear about. So yes, as always, as I said, the other 3 tips are on my blog. Link is in the description as always. And while you're there on my website, you can download my free guide to, it's a 10-step guide to set up your business blog, if that could be of use to you. And if you found the content interesting today, then please give this video a like. And if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and that means you will always be informed if there are new videos, which happens once a week. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.